Hi, my name is Matias Aguayo. I'm a partner and head of Greece at Holborn Assets. Holborn has been around for some time, with over 24,000 clients worldwide and over 1,200 golden visas processed since they started working with invest migration. Greece is definitely a very special program, and one of those that simply cannot be left out of the equation, as clients come to us inquiring about it on a daily basis. Today, I want to walk you through something that I have spent considerable time putting together. This is a proper investor's guide to the Greece Golden Visa, which I really feel is the most comprehensive resource currently available in the market. It covers absolutely everything you might need to support your decision-making process. And honestly, it is a must-read if you are considering any European Golden Visa at all. I want to be straightforward with you from the start. I do not want to pressure anyone. In this industry, trust is everything. And the way I intend to earn yours is by putting the maximum amount of value on the table. No compromise, whether you decide to work with me or not. This guide is completely for free, and I will tell you how to get your copy at the end of this video. The reason that I built this guide is straightforward. In 4 years of advising clients on residency and citizenship by investment, I have found that the biggest challenge people face is not the decision itself, it's finding reliable, complete, and honest information before making it, alongside getting proper advice. A lot of what exists online is incomplete or plain confusing. As someone who works with this program every single day, I wanted to put all the value on the table from a client's perspective and focus on the core things that genuinely need to be understood before committing. Whatever you decide after reading it, I want that decision to be the right one for you. Greece launched its Golden Visa in 2013. Since then, nearly 50,000 residence permits have been issued, representing over 4 billion euros in foreign direct investment. The structural program is the reason that it continues to attract serious interest. Greece grants direct permanent residency through an industry-low real estate investment, renewable every 5 years indefinitely, with 0 days on the ground required for as long as you maintain your investment. You are not obligated to live in Greece, relocate, or even visit regularly to keep your status active. The program covers your entire immediate family on a single application: your spouse, your children, your parents, and even your parents-in-law. And if you do choose to actually move to Greece and relocate there, you become eligible to apply for Greek citizenship after 7 years. The Greek passport is currently ranked 4th in the world, and once you get it, you're extending your settlement rights to all 27 European Union member states. For this program, the most commonly used investment route is 250,000 euros into approved commercial to residential conversion real estate projects. These are existing buildings being converted from commercial use into residential apartments, with approved permits already in place. The developer manages the renovation. Your role is simply to invest and hold the asset. You own full title deeds over the unit, and you can do as you please with your property. As I know many clients are looking for the most passive and low-hassle investment possible, I have included in this guide a selection of exclusive projects that offer a rental guarantee, so you can invest and start receiving predictable returns without any of the management burden. Some projects in the guide also offer what is called an upfront rental acceleration. This is an optional service as well, completely separate from the purchase of the property and the Golden Visa application itself, but it is genuinely worth understanding. This allows investors to receive 3, 5, or even 6 years of rental returns immediately at the time of purchase and once the leasing agreements are signed. Once you factor in that upfront payment, your out-of-pocket capital outlay can be closer to 200,000 euros, well below the headline 250. Additionally, I have included in the guide a selection of projects with active exclusive offers that cover traditional transfer costs when buying property in Greece, including transfer tax, notary, and land registry fees. This is available on select units that can represent savings of up to 15,000 euros or even more. Inside this guide, you will find the complete investment route breakdown, the full step-by-step process from the property selection to the residence card, a plain language explanation of the tax implications, the family inclusion rules, the renewal process, the citizenship pathway, and of course, my current shortlist of the best approved conversion projects available in the market today. The guide is free, so click the link below this video, leave your details, and I will send it to your inbox immediately. If after reading it you would like to discuss your specific situation and goals, I offer as well a complimentary 30-minute strategy call. There is no obligation and no pressure. This is simply a conversation to help you understand your options clearly. The link is below. I hope this is genuinely useful for you, and I will see you on our call.